In today's fast-moving world, everyone wants success, but very few people understand what true effectiveness really means. Stephen R. Covey, in his world-famous book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, explains that real success is not about shortcuts or tricks. It is about principles, character, and consistent habits. Let us understand these 7 habits in detail. Habit 1. Be proactive. Highly effective people take responsibility for their lives. They do not blame circumstances, people, or luck. Instead, they focus on what they can control, their choices, actions, and attitudes. A proactive person does not say, "I can't because of the situation." They say, "I will find a way." When you become proactive, you stop reacting emotionally and start responding wisely. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. This habit is about having a clear vision of your life. Before you start anything, a career, a business, or even a day, ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to become? Highly effective people live according to values, not confusion. They design their future before it arrives. If you don't decide your destination, life will decide it for you. Habit 3. Put first things first. This habit is about discipline and priorities. Effective people focus on what is important, not just what is urgent. They manage time by values, not by pressure. Instead of spending energy on distractions, they invest time in personal growth, family, health, meaningful work. Success comes when important things are done first every day. Habit 4. Think win-win. Win-win is a mindset, not a technique. It means believing that everyone can succeed together. Highly effective people do not think, if you win, I lose. They think, let's find a solution where both sides benefit. This habit builds trust, strong relationships, and long-term success in business and life. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Most people listen to reply, not to understand. Effective people listen deeply. They try to understand feelings, meanings, and perspectives before giving advice or opinions. When people feel understood, conflicts reduce and respect increases. Real communication begins with empathy, not argument. Habit 6. Synergize. Synergy means working together creatively. Highly effective people value differences in thinking, culture, and experience. They understand that teamwork creates better solutions than individual effort. When minds unite with respect, the result is innovation and growth. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. This habit is about self-renewal. Effective people regularly improve themselves in 4 areas: physical health, mental learning, emotional relationships, and spiritual purpose. They know that you cannot give your best if you are exhausted mentally or physically. Growth is not optional, it is essential. Closing message. The 7 habits are not quick tricks. They are a lifestyle. If you practice them daily, they will transform your thinking, your character, your relationships, your success. True effectiveness begins from within.